Changing your payout method on Independence Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Independence Bank website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information and payout preferences. Step 3. Select Payout Method. In the Account Settings, look for an option labeled Payout Method or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SOC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new payout method details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update. Make sure to check your account after a few days to ensure the new payout method is active. If you encounter any issues, contact Independence Bank customer support for assistance.